Hello, today is February 1, 2022, and we had Union Budget being presented by Finance Minister Srimati Nirmala Sitharaman. As expected, the budget is a very positive budget and a growth oriented one. In fact, one could make out some of the aspects from yesterday's economic survey, which was presented and tabled at Lok Sabha. The economy is scheduled to grow at about 9.2%. And that's a great sign in terms of positivity in spite of the pandemic pains. Next year, for 22-23, the economy is scheduled to grow at 8.5%. Again, a very good growth when compared to many countries in the world. The government is supposed to spend a lot of money, public money, into capex for the growth of the economy. One of the key asks, as usual, from the tax collection and tax buoyancy was that will there be tax reliefs and concessions being given to common men and to corporates? Of course, we didn't have any change in the slab rates or in terms of tax concessions. But clearly, no new taxes is a very welcome step. This also shows the stable and the predictable tax regime that government is portraying over the last 4 to 5 years. There is also an important step taken in connection with reducing the tax litigation and easing tax administration. In fact, every time when we speak to foreign investors, the question comes up, is there any way in your country to kill litigation? And the answer to that is once the assessment at the first level, there is a tax demand, it goes on and it gets killed only at the tribunal or the court level. For the first time, there is a facility being given to the taxpayer to file an updated tax return, and it can be done over the next 24 months. And that's a great step by paying additional 25% or a 50% tax together with interest. And you can kill the litigation. So I think it's a very, very important step in terms of reducing tax litigation and also easing the tax administration. Government is clearly promoting the IFSC, the International Financial Services Center, and steps have been taken in that direction. One thing which was expected was, will government will look at cryptocurrency? And we find that mentioned in the budget. To say that the taxation of what is called the virtual asset is being now going to be taxed, which is essentially cryptocurrency, taxed at 30%. However, with the surcharge, effectively it can go up to 43%. So what the government is trying to treat this cryptocurrency or a virtual asset as a normal income. The finance minister also said that RBI will introduce e-currency. So this is e-currency will be very separate from the cryptocurrency or the virtual asset, virtual digital asset as it is called. Steps have also been taken to ease out certain pains on capital gains tax for residents, where the surcharge was as high as 37%. Surcharge has been kept at 15%. That also makes the M&A transactions attractive, and the tax rate is now 23% instead of 28.5% that a resident used to pay. Clearly, a saving of almost 4.5% to 5%, and this will ease the M&A transactions as far as residence is concerned. On the startups also, to make it attractive, the government has extended the tax holiday by forming a company for 1 more year. Similar for a new manufacturing companies, a company can be incorporated 1 more year and the 15% concessional rate will apply. So all in all, overall, good steps by government, by finance minister, predictable policies. It will attract investment and should take India to a different growth trajectory. Thank you.